The holidays are here and I'm pumped. I'm so excited. We are doing all things Thanksgiving today and I am here for it, and I know you will be too. I'm walking you through step by step and sharing my family's most favorite Thanksgiving side that I know that you'll love just as much as we do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, it's no secret that everybody loves Thanksgiving sides way more than the turkey and the ham. That's a given. So I had to share my family's most favorite, most requested. It is broccoli casserole. That's right. We're using Velveeta, we're using Ritz crackers, and we are going traditional Southern Thanksgiving side today, and you're gonna love it. It's so good. It's so good. So first thing we need to do is make the Ritz cracker topping. Like I said, this is old school, this is Southern, this is traditional Thanksgiving side, so just FYI, push the healthy aside for a day and we're going old school Southern, and you're gonna love it. It's so good. So first things first, with the topping, you need 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. You're gonna put it in a bag. We're going to crush it up. You can do this in a food processor, or you can just use a rolling pin like we always do and crush it up that way. I'm gonna silence this because it's getting ready to get loud and probably shaky. So let's do a little video magic and fast forward real quick. Boom, done, just like that. So these are all crushed up, and we're gonna add it to a 1/2 stick of melted butter. Just add it to a bowl and mix it all around, and that is it for the topping. It is buttery, it is crunchy. It's honestly my favorite part of the casserole. We're gonna go over to the stove and make the filling. I already have the broccoli cooking, and I just put it in a large skillet with a little bit of water, turned it on high and covered it just to bring it to a little simmer. So it's fully cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain it, add it to a big pot, and then we'll finish the rest of the filling over at the stove. The broccoli is fully cooked, just took about 10 minutes steaming it on the stove. We're gonna add it to a large pot, and we're gonna turn the burner onto medium-low while we add the rest of the ingredients. First thing is we're gonna add a 1/2 stick of butter, and then a 1/2 pound of Velveeta cheese. Then we'll add the Velveeta right into the pot with the broccoli and the butter, and go ahead and give that a stir around so it can all start melting. Then we're gonna add a squeeze of lemon juice just to brighten it up a little bit. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt, a pinch of freshly cracked black pepper, and then a dash of ground mustard. And then we're gonna cook it on medium-low until the cheese is all nice and melted. So the broccoli cheese mixture is totally done and melted, and it's ready to go. I've greased a 9x13 glass baking dish, and we're gonna add the filling straight into the bottom of this. And then spread it out evenly onto the bottom of the baking dish, just like so. And it already smells so good. And now we'll just add the cracker topping on top, spread it out evenly. So now all we have to do is pop it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. The house smells like Thanksgiving heaven. It's divine. I've already eaten some because I can't help it. It's my favorite. The top is perfectly golden brown. The middle is hot and bubbly and cheesy, and it's just truly, it is gonna be one of your favorite Thanksgiving sides, if not your favorite, just like ours. I'm gonna dig into my second plate, so don't judge me. You know, we're just practicing for Thanksgiving over here, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. We just need to take a moment of silence. It's so good. You are gonna love it. It's simple, it's easy, it's a Southern classic. You can make it ahead of time, you can make it the day of, whatever you need. You just need to make sure that you have this broccoli casserole on your Thanksgiving table this year. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. It's all there for you, plus so many other delicious recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to the Kentucky Living YouTube channel. There's so many great recipes I know that you will love over there. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm gonna finish my second helping of this broccoli casserole. I hope you and your family and friends had the happiest of Thanksgiving, enjoying your delicious meals around the table. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.